Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from the Flink app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Flink app. On the top right corner you will see here this profile icon. Tap on the profile icon, it will open to your profile. Then your last option in this pink button, tap on the logout and it's automatically logged out. You can create a new account or log in again. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.